Hi, I'm Maggie Bradford. I'm a sophomore here at Virginia Tech. I'm majoring in human development and hopefully getting a minor in social leadership and change next semester after my semester abroad in Lugano. I grew up with my mom, my dad, and my sister Abigail, and of course my little puppy Darby in the corner. I was born in Blacksburg, so I was born to be a Hokie, right? But soon after, my whole family moved to Texas. My dad was in the military, so moving around was something we did often. For example, my sister was born in Germany. While living in Texas, my mother was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 38. But don't worry, this year she'll be 15 years cancer-free. In 2005, we moved back to Virginia, but this time we are in Richmond. I'm able to say that I made an amazing life back home. I went to a high school with around 2,500 students, and so I was never bored with the new people who I met. Being in a high school so big, I wanted to feel like I was making a difference. So I joined Key Club. Key Club is a club where you go in your local community and help out. Not only did Key Club help me realize that service was something I would continuously want to do, it made me get more involved with my community and my school. This has then transferred over to Virginia Tech. I am now an Alpha Chi Omega, which are philanthropies domestic violence awareness. Not going to lie, I didn't know what sororities were and how they worked, but since being in one, I've been open to a whole new world. I've never been able to see people so passionate for a cause, and the coolest part is that Virginia Tech as a whole comes out and supports. For example, Mock Rock, thousands of people come out and just dance and have fun to support DVA. Alpha Chi has played an important role in my years here at Virginia Tech. I am now the assistant to new member education, and hopefully next year I will take over as vice president. When looking at the question, what are my thoughts on leadership, I automatically think of a very strong-willed person who is willing to work alongside others no matter the situation and provide the support that someone needs. To be honest, my thoughts automatically turn to my parents. Being raised in an Army household, I was able to have my father teach me what it was like to have good leadership. Also, being in a sorority with a bunch of very strong, independent women, I've been able to see the way those who have leadership and how they give the helping hand. Leadership, in my eyes, is not someone who is always in control. It is a characteristic of selflessness and inclusivity. Everyone can be a leader, but it's hard to obtain leadership. I want to learn to be able to obtain these leadership skills. After graduating, I want to become a kindergarten teacher, but before that, my lifelong goal is to go into the Peace Corps. I've been very fortunate to be able to travel and experience amazing opportunities. For example, I was in Costa Rica helping children learn English as well as build new dining halls for them. I was working with a team of high school students, so we had an older mentor come out and help us whenever we needed. Also, last year when I was in Africa, I was the only sophomore while everyone else was in their master's program, so I was very timid. Once again, I relied on other people to help me with my task. What I truly want to learn from this class is for me to be able to be that person that younger kids or anyone feels that they can come and talk to and know I will help support them.